来直往，直行直进。练习逆，练一口气。
Alright, good job, 志浩。Welcome to Las Vegas Shaolin Kung Fu channel. This is 师傅 JJ.
This is 师傅志豪.
Today we're going to present you the level 4 Shaolin Quan. Let's train it.
Let's go.
走上，走上，走上。For this part of Shaolin Quan, they have the opening move. Your right hand on top and left hand under, and you fit together. So you bend your knee, high snap. And after this, so you say first move, you step your left and your both hand cross on under. So you go open same time, knee lift. Then you make a big step and both hand on your waist. Then you landing same time, push power with your power. Then you step your left at the same time, you go 强手 from 45 your waist, you go up, attack the shoot, and at the same time, and another 强手. The power out, the finger point. Follow me again for numbers training. Attention. 1, 2, cross your hand. 3, knee left open. 4, step, switch your feet. 5, with your power palm. And 6, with your left hand. And 7, with your right hand. 12、13、14、准备，走1、2、3、14、准备，走1、2、3、14、走上下 ，feet together， 走滑上下，走上下，哇抓抓。1, 2, 3, 4. 走往下下。1、2、Wait, shake. For second part of Shaolin Quan, the level 4, we have 3 kicks. The snap kick and jumping kick. So follow me with the details. The last move from the last part, 强手. Your both hand become fist and your toe turns this way and to make empty stance. So your hand on top of your knee. Then from there, you go quick, both feet together. Then you do the snap kick. You bend your knee first and kick right here. And you do the same thing, another, and fit together. Bend your knee, and you do jumping kick. After this, as soon you both hands cross, become fist, and blocking and straight. Both stance. Make sure your stance and flat, your toe go this way. Now follow me and 志豪 with the way how to train, improve your speed and power. So the quick tutorial for jumping front kick. Jumping front kick have 3 steps. The first move fit together, so a lot of space between, right? So you bend your knee, so make sure you can really jump straight. That's the exercise you should practice, right? So second one, you jump and you put your double hand right here and you use both knees. You can't touch your hand, so you're training with like this, right? So it's great. And the next one, you gotta kick and quick go down and both feet same time, jumping same time and landing same time. So 1 and 2, 3, boom, you're landing. So with the practice, stay safe. Let's set a goal for your training right there. So this is your goal, and you go kicking right this little move. 1, 2, boom. Right? And then you can repeatedly go. Boom, kick. Or you can go. Yes. Okay, let's go to the next one. go down, and you both hand, clapping the hand, go, twist. Then you use the Shaolin Quan, 弹腿 to the face. 1、2、3、4。然后往回走。For the last part of Shaolin Quan, so we have a couple moves with elbow and then head. Also blocking is a great part. So follow me with those details. From this part, you quick stand up, turn your toe and center line right here. And your right hand go up, left hand palm right here, and your knee lift, and same time go down like hammer. After this, step your right and cross palm and fist. You say the elbow attack, and same time from your horse stance, your knee push to become the bow stance, and same time with the power. That's great. And slight small step, and you both hand cross palm, power palm, step right, same time. Boom! Attack right there. And this palm, right hand go down a circle, a left hand circle, become fist right this side. Then you twist on top and go down. With your empty stance, fit together. 1、2、1、2、1、2、1、2、1、2、3、1、2、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13、14、15、16、17、18、19、20、21、22、23、24、25、26、27、28、29、30、31、32、33、34、35、36、37、38、39、40、41、42、43、44、45、46、47、48、49、50、51、52、53、54、55、56、57、58、59、60、 61、62、63、64、65、66、67、68、 69、70、 71、 72、 73、 74、 75、 76、77、 78、 79、80、 81、82、83、84、85、86、87、88、 89、90、 91、 92、 93、 94、 95、 96、 97、 98、 99、 100、 101、 102、 103、 104、 105、 106、 107、 108、 109、 110、 111、 112、 113、 114、 115、 116、 117、 118、 119、 120、 121、 122、 123、 124、 125、 126、 127、 128、 129、 130、 131、 132、 133、 134、 135、 136、 137、 138、 139 二三，一二三，一二三，对，走一二三，一二三，一二三，抱，我发刷发的，一二三。Congratulations to learning this fast, my friend. So now follow me one last time from the beginning until the end. The full tutorial, level 4, Shaolin Quan. Attention. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and finish. Cool. I feel great, and for the level 4 of Shaolin Quan, I see you in next video.
See you in next video. Level 4 少林拳。
Then level 5.
Oh, level 5少林拳。
Yes. I see you in next video.
See you in next video.
Bye bye.